Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to set up a woodworking shop without emptying your wallet, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing my top tips for creating a fully functional woodworking space on a budget. Let's dive right in. First up, start with the basics. You don't need to buy everything at once. Focus on essential tools like a circular saw, a power drill, and some clamps. These will cover most beginner projects. Check out garage sales, thrift stores, and even online marketplaces for secondhand tools. You'll be surprised at the deals you can find. Next, think about your workspace. You don't need a huge area to get started. A corner of your garage or basement can work just fine. Make sure you have good lighting and enough electrical outlets for your tools. You can even build your own workbench using scrap wood or old pallets. It's cost-effective and adds a personal touch to your shop. Storage is key. Keeping your tools and materials organized will save you time and frustration. Use pegboards for hanging tools and repurpose old shelves or cabinets for storing materials. Consider building simple storage solutions. It's a great way to practice your woodworking skills. Don't forget about dust collection. A clean shop is a safe shop. You don't need an expensive system to start with. A shop vacuum and some DIY attachments can make a big difference. Plus, it helps keep your lungs safe from dust particles. Lastly, always prioritize safety. Invest in safety gear like goggles, ear protection, and dust masks. It's worth spending a bit more here to protect yourself. That's it for today's tips. Setting up a woodworking shop on a budget is totally doable. Start small, stay organized, and keep an eye out for deals. Thanks for watching, and happy woodworking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more budget-friendly DIY tips. See you